El Kido show any bars.
I got bars for you, boss.
If you don't get bars, go do that song. Don't come here, go the
Ajay.
we get bars. 9 points. They do it. They get bars. Hit the shit. Nigga.
Where you got your shit with it? You want your shit put to a black only one basket map. And when you want the coffin, what up when they yell nugu. And you got me lonely shot. I'm on you was stranded. About me what before food. And me just Solomon. I got Lupino Yoma, slim get stick back off. Abu Kenya run if I still lost it. Doesn't was too bad. And my jaja follow Julia life at Mojubi Ruga. Motoko Capeta. Motu Fatike. All I want the church in your leg by Lord Toto. Screen on that. 1 year for plus and shit. Shen Mom singing Shalanga. Plus a lady fataki. I want the new badaka. The badale to Batogu. I want the Masawa. Moda Pazio Koroto. To the emotion Kalawa. Screen. Egba Mori not become a fodawa. Ejo check my yile kinkupe. Lo to lo mi lo mare. Mo le moto daddy mi waki fi be. The ball is in your court. The ba she be where the mama fiki be. You want that man to mu wa bi abeshe. Bring your job ka blow e ka po fe nu fe.
Watch it. Come here. You got bars on me, nigga.
Bars for you, nigga, till I die.
You got bars on me, nigga.
Bars for you, nigga, till I die, man.
Shit, what the fuck is going on? Yeah.
See, they say your rap is cheap, it's just 600. So many rappers are made in about their price 200. Wow, you rappers are cheap, you sleeping. Never you fuck with the best. You been in for you. I can't be the rap, you know, go fit concentrate. You know, I'm not a human, I'm a god. And the biggest energy you can afford. No game, I'm a ghost, I'm a soul. Made it, but the rappers, they did the ball. You a lifestyle will never make you bored. But it's in the game, I kill them all. People, they pass up a nigga, keep me drop lines. Go read them all, so tell me. What's make a boogie leave, so you go to fight for Grammy, tell me. How come Jesus never had a female disciple? Tell me. A lot of rappers are still living in Sodom and Gomorrah. Tell me, please, pastor, who was the best rapper in the Bible? Tell me. I never cheat on my rap, I cheat on my girlfriend. Only mean see, but they get raps. And never you try me, make it, I hold it. I call them the back office, do the gay line, a generator, oh yeah, hold me. Baby, tell me that I made it for the way the year ago. Don't rap in this and go for the bully, and I'm not in any name to pot. Plum made it, but did the member go better rapper city, but get them echo. Then I'm not be killing everybody, so they get the woman go to, make a bit so they get the woman go to. Shout out to everybody where they watch. Now me believe I'm not where the boss. See people criminal, I be the judge. Try and your baby be the rap, the church. I don't know if human, I be God. I be the Jagaban, I be the boss. I make it be the forget boss. I make it your baby be the cross. Watch. You know, David was a rapper and Solomon was a singer. Jesus was a black man. Check it through your finger. I buried all these rappers alive. I don't fuck with sinners. Cause they stoop solo like Potiphar's wife. I'm Joseph the Dreamer. I was 13 years old when I started rapping in Kumasi. They thought I wasn't going to survive without being Illuminati. Because they never believe I'm a dream. No can say go walk at the traffic. See, I used to be the boy at the backstage. What did you but the prophet? So I'm just saying that juju. It's to the follow for topic. I'm blessing unlimited. Everybody no mega they blow the trumpet. I was waiting by my mama. Every day she they pray for success. See, God bless you. My one and holy brother. Slim Case for the great sense.
God! Am I crying, Lolly? Welcome to the Slim Case Show. Pause is pop.